Hello everyone. I will make a carrot farm. Today is day 1. Let's go and place my first 2 carrots. Here they are. Let's wait now. These are the 2 carrots. Let's sell them now. Ooh, free carrot seed. Wow, 56. Let's speed up our process. We have some wind-struck carrots, but let's speed the progress again. We also have some wet carrots now. But this one is special. It's a wet and wind-struck carrot. Let's sell all of them now. That will be it for day 1. Hope you enjoyed. I will collect even more carrots off screen. Bye guys.